Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. I'm pretty certain that almost everyone has either used Google or at least heard of it. However, were you aware that you can actually earn a substantial amount of money using Google? In this video, I will demonstrate exactly how you can generate $220 repeatedly in just a few minutes. The process is quite simple. All you need to do is visit a new website and utilize an interesting trick with Google that I will reveal. By following this method, you can earn hundreds of dollars each day. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, as this technique works globally. You won't need to set up a VPN or anything of the sort. Regardless of your location, this method is accessible to you. Before we proceed further, I'm curious to know which country you are currently watching from. Please leave a comment below mentioning your country so I can understand where my viewers are from. Now I want you to pay close attention to every second of this video, as I will be sharing some valuable tips and tricks to potentially double or even triple your online income. To get started, head over to Google. The first step is to click on the search bar and enter the keyword shrink.io. Once you press enter, you will see a link that states shrink.io is a completely free tool for creating short links, and you get paid for it. Simply click on this link to proceed. You'll be directed to the home page of shrink.io, which will serve as the platform for earning $220 in just a few minutes. To acquire the sum, you must employ my Google trick, so it's crucial to stay tuned. Before we proceed, let me present you with payment proof from shrink.io. As depicted here, numerous individuals from various spots of the world are earning money every minute on this platform. With over 200 pages of payment proofs and even photographic evidence of successful transactions, shrink.io has consistently and punctually paid its users. It's a legitimate website and an excellent means of generating online income. Now let's delve into the 3 steps required to start making money on shrink.io. Step 1 involves signing up for a free account. Step 2 entails shortening a URL link and sharing it on other websites, which I will discuss later in this video. Lastly, step 3, our favorite, is to earn money. However, it's crucial to meticulously follow each step outlined in this video to ensure the proper implementation of this method. Skipping ahead or disregarding important instructions may result in failure to earn any money and a waste of your valuable time. Therefore, pay utmost attention to every second of this video to ensure the attainment of that lucrative income. To initiate step 1, create a free account by locating the designated link on the top right side of the website. Simply click on it to proceed. Click on the provided link, and you will be directed to a page where you can easily register for a free account. A convenient way to sign up is by linking your Google account. However, if you prefer not to use your Google account, you can opt for email registration. Simply enter your desired username, email address, password, confirm your password, verify that you're not a robot, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and click on the register button. It's a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Here's a quick suggestion for you. Consider creating a new dummy email account specifically for registering on this website. Some similar platforms tend to send promotional materials to your email, which can result in an influx of messages and potential oversight of important emails. Personally, I use a dummy email account, and I recommend that you do the same. By signing up for a free account, you will receive a sign-up bonus of $1 courtesy of shrink.io for new users. Once you accumulate a minimum of $5, you can start cashing out your earnings. Now, let me demonstrate how you can make money on this website using my Google trick. It's important to note that shrink.io pays out your earnings on a daily basis. This is one of the aspects that makes this website appealing to me. While other platforms may allow you to earn money using a similar method, they typically pay you on a weekly basis. However, shrink.io stands out by offering daily payments. Additionally, they provide a variety of payment methods, ensuring convenience for users. I'm particularly excited about the option to receive payments through PayPal, which is widely accepted and easy to use worldwide. I'd love to hear your preferred payment method as well. Please let me know in the comment section below and share why you prefer that specific method. Now let's dive into the process of earning money on this website. First, we'll head over to YouTube and find a video that interests us. Then we'll copy the URL link of that video and return to shrink.io. On the website, we'll paste the link into the designated bar and shorten it. Shrink.io specializes in link shortening, and they pay you for every unique user who visits your link. So, by transforming a longer link into a shorter one, you can potentially earn money. Later, I'll provide a live demonstration, but let me explain the process first. After shortening the URL link, you'll need to share your link on various websites. For each person who clicks on your link, you'll earn a certain amount of money. Now, let me present the different payment rates available on Shrink.io. The amount you can earn is based on every 1,000 views of your link. The amount of money you earn per 1,000 views will vary depending on the geographical location of your link visitors. If your visitors are from Greenland, you can earn $22 per 1,000 clicks. For visitors from Ireland, the rate is $16 per 1,000 clicks, while for visitors from the United States, it's $7 per 1,000 clicks. Regardless of the visitor's origin, you can earn a minimum of $2.50 per 1,000 clicks. This is why it's advantageous to utilize my Google trick, because if you can attract clicks from Greenland, you have the potential to earn the highest amount on this platform. Now let me demonstrate how you can find the best videos on YouTube to use with this method. Opting for poorly performing videos may yield limited earnings. From my observations, weight loss videos tend to perform exceptionally well. Simply head over to YouTube and search for weight loss tips. A helpful trick is to click on the filter option and select the This Week filter. This will display videos uploaded within the current week. Choose the video with the highest number of views and copy its URL link. Then return to Shrink.io, paste your URL link, and shorten it. Finally, copy your shortened link to proceed. Now you can begin sharing your link. In the following demonstration, I'll reveal my clever Google trick that has the potential to significantly increase your online income. But before we proceed, I'd like to inform you that we regularly post more videos on this channel. Our goal is to assist you in generating a steady stream of online income directly into your PayPal accounts. I devote considerable effort to ensuring the effectiveness of these videos, so I kindly request that you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like our content, and leave a comment below. Now let's continue with the video. First, head over to Google and search for the keyword weight loss forums. This search will present you with several different forums. You can join these forums and share your link without any concerns of being reported or banned. By sharing valuable weight loss tips, you're providing relevant content to the forum users who are actively seeking such information. Each user in these forums represents a targeted audience that you want to attract to click on your link. However, as mentioned earlier, we can employ our Google trick to ensure that our link visitors are primarily from Greenland, thereby maximizing our income. To implement this trick, return to Google and click on the Settings button. From there, select Search Settings. This will display various advanced settings that you can customize for your Google searches. Scroll down to the Region Settings section and look for the option that states Greenland. Simply click on it, and your Google search results will be tailored to the Greenland region. Once you click on Save, your search results will be filtered to display weight loss forums specific to Greenland. You can repeat this process with other forums, further increasing your earnings. Now all you have to do is share your link and watch as your PayPal account quickly fills up. That concludes the video. Before we conclude, please remember to subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell, like our video, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for future content on this channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Peace!